Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to BGS Technology's new another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you check your IMEI number on your mobile phone. IMEI number is so most important to knowing ourselves because when your mobile phone is thieving and you lost your phone and etc. That's matter you need your IMEI number. So not more lengthy my introduction. Today's video I'm gonna show you how you check your IMEI number by using a code. So let's begin today's video. Oh, by the way, starting the video I will say you, if you're new member in our channel, now click the subscribe button and click all bell icon to get upcoming video notification. And if you watch this video another social media, now follow me because I try to must be uploaded video in our channel and another social medias. So let's see today's video how you check your IMEI number. Welcome back, guys. First of all, we want to check it out our IMEI number from our mobile phone on our mobile phone. But how you check this? And this video I'm gonna show you. So first of all, I'm gonna our dial pad option. When we're coming to our dial pad option and we're dial a code star hash 06 hash, and then when you dial this, you can't be click your sim cards. But if you want to check this on your button phone, it's no problem. You will be now apply these codes on your button phone. That's why, and then you get your IMEI number very easily, simply. Okay, so here is my IMEI number. I will be blur some codes because it's my safeties. So here is my now IMEI number, and you should be right and paid or exercise book. I hope that you will be careful and your IMEI number. I hope that you will be now understand how to you check your IMEI number. This number is very most important on your driving life, daily life. I hope that, guys, the video is very useful for you. If you want get more exciting video and so usable video, so useful video, now click the subscribe button and follow me our social media, another social media. My another social media, some social media's link in the description box. Now check it out and join me with another social media like Facebook, another Facebook YouTube channel, and Kotha apps in made in Bangladeshi apps, and another social media. So see you later. Assalamu Alaikum.